skilled construction trades worker looking to work in Australia, the temporary skills shortage visa subclass 482 could be your perfect pathway. This visa allows employers in Australia to sponsor skilled workers from overseas. With no age requirement and a lower English proficiency needed, this visa opens up incredible opportunities for trades workers like you. One of the key benefits of the 482 visa is its flexibility. There is no age limit, no points test, and for occupations on the MLTSSL, which is the medium and long-term strategic skills list, the English requirement is just an overall IELTS score of 5 with at least 5 in each band, or equivalent in other texts. But here's something important to know. For certain occupations, a mandatory skills assessment is required if you hold a passport from specific countries. Now let me list some of the occupations that require this mandatory skills assessment. These occupations are automotive electrician, baker, cabinet maker, carpenter, carpenter and joiner, chef, cook, diesel motor mechanic, electrician general, electrician special class, fitter general, fitter and turner, fitter welder, joiner, metal fabricator, metal fitters and machinist NEC, metal machinist first class, motor mechanic general, panel beater, pastry cook, sheet metal trades worker, tool maker, welder first class. A skills assessment is mandatory if your occupation falls under this list. Now let's talk about the countries where this mandatory skills assessment applies. If you hold a passport from any of these countries, the skills assessment is a requirement. So these countries are Bangladesh, Brazil, China, Fiji, Hong Kong, India, Macau, Nepal, Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, Philippines, South Africa, Thailand, Vietnam, and Zimbabwe. In some limited circumstances, applicants may be exempt from the mandatory skills assessment. However, this is considered on a case-by-case basis and will depend on your unique situation. Our team can assess your case and guide you accordingly. The primary authority for assessing trade skills is Trades Recognition Australia, also known as TRA. However, TRA collaborates with various registered training organizations to conduct these assessments. Now let's look at the general process for the skills assessment. The first step is the documentary evidence. You need to compile evidence of your qualifications, employment history. This may include certificates, transcripts, employment references, payslips, and other relevant documents. And the second step is the technical interview or practical assessment. Now, depending on your occupation and country of origin, you might need to undergo a technical interview or a practical assessment to demonstrate your competencies. Even if your occupation doesn't require a mandatory skills assessment, getting it done is a smart move. Many employers prefer candidates who are job ready and meet Australian standards. By completing your skills assessment, you're putting yourself in a position to apply for job opportunities in Australia when they arise. And that way you will also have an option to apply for an expression of interest for a points tested visas like 189, 190 or 491. We have made a separate video about the points tested visas for trade workers and I will put the link below. Exciting changes are also coming for the 482 visa. Soon, the work experience requirement will be reduced from 2 years to 1 year. Plus, we are optimistic that most of the construction-related occupations will remain on the updated occupation list, making this an even better opportunity for trades workers. For those over 45, transitioning to permanent residency might still be an option in limited circumstances. However, most PR pathways under the 482 visa require you to be under 45 and have competent English. So if you're a skilled trades worker looking to work in Australia, the 482 visa could be your gateway to a brighter future. Whether you need help with the mandatory skills assessment or your visa application, if you have an employer ready to sponsor you, we are here to guide you every step of the way. Get in touch with us today and let's make your Australian dream a reality. Click the link below to book with one of our experienced agents who can guide you with every step of your migration journey. If you have any questions in regards to Australian migration, please get in touch with us. You can visit our website nationwidemigration.com.au and book a consultation online. If you would like to stay updated about Australian migration, please subscribe to our channel.